Welcome to Mantic Solutions. Here we came up with an interesting project called IoT based Smart Grid. IoT stands for Internet of Things. This technology is highly accessible and have a complete command to operate the devices. The scope of this is widely varying to all the sectors like medical, industrial, educational, etc. The main theme of this project is to control the devices using IoT and monitoring the energy consumed. And the applications of this project can be used in domestic sectors as well as industrial purposes. The hardware included in this project are Arduino Uno, 2 loads, relay board, current transformer, power transformer, signal conditioning and Wi-Fi module ESP8266. And the software used here is ThingSpeak Cloud Services. And here the loads are connected to the relay and the relay is connected to Arduino Uno GPIO pins, and current and power transformers are connected to signal conditioning board as signal conditioning board changes AC to DC. And this Arduino Uno board has an operating voltage as 5 volts. So the signal conditioning board gives 5 volts to Arduino Uno board. The energy is calculated from voltage and current consumed from the loads and uploaded in the ThingSpeak. We can control the devices from anywhere in the world, so the users can follow the energy consumed. As this project also have IoT feature, we can control the devices from any part of the world. Here is a ThingSpeak Cloud, and this is an interface where we can operate these devices by giving the commands. Let's do it. Let us on the first device by sending the command. The load is on, and let us on the second load. Second load is on. Let us on both the loads and off the both. The features shown here is IoT feature, and now let us see the energy consumption through ThingSpeak. Depending on the loads, we can see the energy varied in the ThingSpeak.